If you're running Bing ads for your SaaS product and your conversions don't match reality, you're not alone. In fact, most SaaS companies are making decisions based on wrong data and they don't even realize it. Today, I'll show you why SaaS conversion tracking is critical for Bing ads, why it breaks for most companies, and how you can fix it once and forever using first-party, server-side tracking with Google Tag Manager and a proper data layer. I'm Arif, a web analytics and conversion tracking expert, and I help SaaS companies fix broken tracking systems so their ad platforms finally show the truth. SaaS growth is not about traffic, it's not even about clicks, it's about data-driven decisions. Every step in your funnel, sign up, trial start, upgrade, renewal, depends on accurate conversion tracking. If your tracking is wrong, your CAC looks higher, your LTV looks lower, and your marketing looks unprofitable even when it's not. Here's the first mistake most SaaS companies make. They think conversion tracking means someone signed up. But SaaS conversion tracking is multi-stage. It's not just one event. Bing Ads doesn't just need to know who clicked, it needs to know who became valuable. And if those events aren't tracked correctly, Bing's algorithm cannot optimize, period. Let's talk about why Bing Ads tracking fails for SaaS. First, browser privacy. Third-party cookies are dying. Second, ad blockers, client-side scripts never even fire. Third, long SaaS journeys. Someone clicks today, converts next week, or on another device. Client-side tracking loses that data completely. Here's what I see in almost every SaaS audit. Double-counted conversions, missing revenue data, wrong attribution windows. Your backend says one thing, your analytics says another, Bing Ads says something else, and the marketing team is stuck guessing. This is exactly where SaaS companies start scaling the wrong campaigns and kill the ones that actually work. Client-side tracking was built for a different internet. Today, it's unreliable, incomplete, and impossible to scale. If Bing Ads doesn't receive clean, consistent signals, it cannot optimize your campaigns. That's not a Bing problem. That's a tracking problem. This is where first-party server-side tracking changes everything. Instead of sending data from the browser, you send it from your own server. Using Google Tag Manager server-side and a properly structured data layer, we control exactly what data is sent, when, and with full accuracy. Bing Ads receives clean, trusted events, even when browsers block everything else. Here's how I fix SaaS conversion tracking problems. First, a full tracking audit. Second, data layer design. Third, server-side GTM implementation. Fourth, Bing Ads validation and testing. Every conversion verified. No hacks, no shortcuts, just clean, reliable data. Once tracking is fixed, everything changes. Bing Ads optimizes faster. Cost per acquisition drops. Revenue attribution becomes clear. You stop guessing and start scaling with confidence. This is how SaaS companies move from confusion to predictable growth. If your SaaS conversion tracking is broken, don't patch it. Fix it properly, because great ads don't fail, bad tracking does.